Attention all racers. 2:45 extended race. Heat 1 round 7. Here we go.
I got stuck.
Previous race winner was ET.
This is not.
David speed 8.1.
Go save it.
ET speed 6.1. Randy speed 9.3.
And maybe.
Two minutes.
I'm stuck on something.
David, lap 1. 45.1. David is leading.
Disappointing.
David speed 6.3. ET did punish gate. David, lap 2, 40.2. David is leading.
I can still win this.
David speed 9.1. One minute. ET, lap 1, 140.7. ET speed 7.2. David did punish gate. David, lap 3, 40.5. David is leading. 30 seconds. David speed 9.4.
This thing is not flying very well. Sorry, I just screwed
Randy,
up, but that's
lap
all
1,
right.
209.1. David did punish gate. 10 seconds. ET, lap 2, 48.8. Randy speed 5.1. Winner is David. ET speed 6.0. David, lap 4, 40.9. David speed 8.8. ET did punch gate. David did punish gate.
No!
ET, lap 3, 54.9. Pilot ET finished in second place, 120.7 behind. Randy, lap 2, 59.3. Pilot Randy finished in third place, 159.6 behind.
Randy's picking on me. Helicopter!